Hey everyone, this is going to be my YouTube video on how you guys will actually create a YouTube video. We're doing this for our projects. It'll be a lot easier if you just have a YouTube link, put it in the Google slide presentation, and then I can access it with ease as long as it's public. So the first thing is in video physics. You can see the app in the bottom right of my screen. You're going to have your video. I did a quick one, just shooting 3 seconds of my living room, nothing special. But anyway, that should already be in there. So the main thing is go to YouTube. Now, you can do this either in the web browser, or I actually have the YouTube app in the bottom, so I'm going to click on the app. And the biggest thing is you need to have a YouTube account. So on the top right of my screen, you see the letter M, that's for my first name, Micah. That means I have an account. I don't know what it'll look like if it's not up there, but if you do click on whatever that is, you should then have options. A little past halfway down, it says switch account, which again, if you don't have an account, I don't know if it'll say that, but if I click on that, it actually then lets me select add account. So if I click on add account, it's going to then say wants to use google.com to sign in, fine. And here's the big thing, if you have a Gmail account, your Google email, awesome. Put it in there and it'll be pretty smooth for you guys. If you don't though, at the bottom you see create account, you can create account for myself. And then that'll start the process of creating a Gmail account, This is actually perfect because you guys will use a Gmail account for your personal email account for a long, long time past high school. So it's worth taking the time to do this. But once you get your Gmail account ready to go, you can then create the YouTube account, and then you can be signed in like I am right now. So back up in the top right corner, if you look 2 over from my letter M, there's the camera icon. If I select that, it shows up videos in video physics and actually my camera roll. See that, of course, my living room one is right there. Select on that. It previews it real quick. I didn't do any audio, which you guys probably won't have audio either. But anyway, hit next. And then you can title it. So we can do projects, be more specific, whether it's the acceleration project, projectile motion project, whatever that may be. Description I don't really need, but you definitely need the privacy to be public. So hopefully it's that by default, and if not, change it to public. That's the big thing. So click upload, top right. And this will take a couple seconds, probably not too long. But it's a little weird when it uploads, it actually disappears, and you go over to my library on the bottom right, it's disappeared there as well. But you guys know how to refresh. If I actually tap, hold, and drag down, that's the refresh, and then it should show up. And if I go back to home, same thing, tap, hold, should show up right there. So it's all good as a YouTube video, but to get the link to put in your Google slide, click on the 3 dots to the right of the video you want, and then do share in the bottom. And you can see I can do copy link. So copy link, it should be all good. You then can paste this in the Google slide. I'm going to test it out real quick and just go to the web browser, open up a new tab. If I do paste and go, it should preview it for me. And again, no sound or anything like that, but that's perfectly fine. So I didn't do every little detail on the Gmail account and YouTube account, but hopefully you guys can figure that out with ease, and this will make the project a lot better and get you your 5 easy points for the video part. If you do have questions, go ahead and reach out to me, guys. Thanks.